Welcome back to Suncoast FYI. Writing is a very important tool, especially for author Leroy Fleming. Not only has he written about his own life's journey, but he believes everyone should take the time to put down their own journey into words. Leroy is here to talk with us about his book series and where he takes the readers on a journey through his life and dreams. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here. So what inspired you to start writing?
In January the 1st, 2000, my mother passed away. And when she passed away, it was like a traumatic shock to me. And I didn't quite know how to handle it. My brothers and sisters couldn't tell me how to deal with it. So I had to try to resolve it on my own. So one day in 2000, I picked up a pen and I began to write my story in poetic form.
Now, I know that there's a quote on your website that your mom said to you.
Yes.
And that inspired you. Could you share that with us?
Well, I have to go back a little bit. On December the 25th, 1999, I told my mom, I said, Mom, I'm almost where I need to be in terms of accomplishing my dream. I just need you to hold on a little bit. Like any mom do, she looked at me and she smiled. She said to me, son, I may give out, but I will never give up. Those words was the last words that she spoke to me physically. And those are the words that drive me to this day.
Okay. So your first series of books was
Time Lightman, yes.
Okay. Can you tell us a little bit about those? And I know you have 5 different books in this series.
Well, Time Lightman, it just simply started. The very first piece that I wrote was titled Here We Go. And I'm glad for that title because it simply meant that I'm starting a journey now. It was a whole new creative journey for me, and I had to be my own therapist in a sense. So once I began to write that particular line, Here We Go, right at the beginning, all of it began to go back to when I was a child, thinking about my mom speaking to us, telling me and encouraging me to do things that I needed to do in order to make my life better. By her not being here, it just gave me a sense of clarity to kind of realize that I'm in control now, and I got to do the best I can with the time I have.
Okay, and this helped you get through your grief.
Absolutely.
And this is what you want people to do now from your books, is learn how to be their own therapist. Is this correct?
Absolutely. The important, what I want to try to stress to the viewers is the most important thing is when you read my book, there's a blank page inside, and after 9 or 8 poems, there's a place for you to begin your journey. And what I would like to say to everybody, like Write Your Life Now, you know, that's kind of what I want to call my tour, like Write Your Life Now tour, because you only have these moments to be thankful for. And all of my books, they go in that same order.
And it's very important for people to, like you said, live in the moment and write their feelings down when they're having them.
Yes.
Okay? Because life is so fleeting and we never know.
It really is. And with my mom,
what's going to bring us the next.
Thank you for saying it. And with my mom, it was the same thing. I didn't think that Christmas Day 1999 would be the last time that I would see her. So my writings kind of reflected, like, well, what does your life mean like now? You can live with your past, but what does it mean right now? And I just found when you begin to write, you begin to clear all that up.
So tell us about your new series then, since this is what you've been working on.
Yes, Soul Splitting. It's simply, Soul Splitting, I try to say to the audience, I was a broken person at the time I began to write this particular one, or at least I felt broken. And I just tried to figure out how can I put myself back together. So Soul Splitting is my journey between the physical world and the spiritual world to try to reconcile myself, to make myself whole again. And each picture on the cover, when you get to volume 5, you'll see that individual coming together. And I want the viewers to know that if you begin to write your life, you begin the same healing process that I did.
Great. Well, thank you very much for sharing these very personal parts of your life with us. Where can our viewers go to find out more and buy your books?
Well, they can go to www.timelightman.biz. That's TimeLightenment.biz. And the other one is Soul Splitting, SoulSplitting.biz.
Awesome, awesome. Well, thank you, Mr. Fleming, so much for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
Appreciate it. Coming up on Suncoast FYI, one Suncoast doctor has devoted his career in providing treatments for gum disease and other issues surrounding the teeth, all while giving back to our community. We'll have our best smiles on when we come back with Dr. Feldman.